Y'all better close the door. You better put them babies to sleep. I mean, I know they sleep, but you know what I'm saying? You better close the door. You better leave the room, you heard? Huh? Huh? Hey, man, say, man, you heard? Hey, listen, hold on. I got a big announcement, man. If you listen. If this is your very first session with me, if this is your very first time trading live with me, I have a huge announcement, all right?
Welcome to the party.
Welcome to the 15-minute Mafia boys! Yeah! Welcome to the party, boy! Oh my God! Oh my God! We gonna get straight into it, you heard? What is a time about? Huh? Hey, stop playing. Huh? Alright, here we go, man. Alright, man, here we go. Rodney with the news. Let's go, bro. Sheesh. I still got all this shit on my charts from Friday. Alright, so, you know what I'm saying? First things first, man. Rodney with the news. Rodney says there's no news today. Alright. Huh? Eric. Huh? I'm gonna put that on the shirt. A picture of me. Huh? Fuck you talking about? Yeah, man. Nobody got a better entrance than me. What time does actual trading start? Ray, this gotta be your first day, cause I'll start whenever the fuck I want to, boy! Ah! Huh? You know what I'm saying? We trade from 8 to 10. I can get here at 8:30 and we still cash out. It don't even matter, yeah? Huh? Alright, here we go, man. Here we go, man. Micro Monday, are you in a trade? Rico, stop right now. Don't fucking start that shit. Rico, stop. Rico, shut the front door right now. My shit glitching. My shit glitching, boy. Hey, get right. Oh shit. Bro, my computer just talked to me, bro. Did y'all hear that shit? I slapped the desk and that bitch said, do that shit again? I'll blow this bitch up. God damn.
You need to leave.
Here we go, man. Let's see what Slick Charts talking about, man. So Slick Charts, man. SlickCharts.com/NASDAQ 100, right? So I found this website because NASDAQ 100 is a group of stocks. All their prices of each stock, right? You know, added up and then divided by 100. That current price is 19.5, right? So if all these stocks are red, what is NASDAQ gonna do? Drop. If all these stocks are green, what is NASDAQ gonna do? Continue going up. And then we should look for only longs. And if it's all major red and news and shit like that, and you see it's going red and shit's trending down, then we look for shorts only, right? So this is the little cheat code I use to, you know what I'm saying, to see the real reason why price will be going up or down. Got it? This is the only reason, not all this other shit. I mean, other shit can affect it, but you get what I'm saying. Like, when you look at the chart on the downtrend, this shit is mainly all red. When it's fucking ranging, it's damn near like this, red and green. Got it? So, boom, boom, boom. So, I usually mainly look at the top 10s. I look at everything, right? See the whole picture. But the top 10s is the biggest, right? So, April. What the fuck? So, Apple is 8.7% of their whole portfolio. Another 8% is Microsoft. So, these are going to be like the main movers, right? So, if this is barely up, this is barely, like, this shit could be like 6%, right? 5%, 2%, 3%, 4%, right? So, this ain't really too much. So, it's kind of like in the middle, right? So, when we start getting to like 1.5s and, you know, so it's real kind of, we're not up, we're not too down right now, right? So, that's just a quick summary of slick charts and how we use that, right? So now we come down to the actual charts, right? I gotta clean up all this shit from last week. So I think Friday I was like, remember at the end of the session we was trading up in here. I don't remember what we was doing, but I said for it to buy a order breaker block setup, which is the same as right here, where they have an order block. When they push all the way down, they come back to that order block. They reject it. When they reject it, they come back into it and blow through it. So that's when you look for longs to violate this order block. And then, of course, to make it a breaker block. And then, of course, it goes to grab liquidity on the other side. Got it? So I was saying for this to push up, like I didn't know if it was going to keep pushing up the whole day. And if it was, it's going to go off of this order block. So it came up, rejected it, came down, came back into it, rejected it, came back to it, and then blew through it, right? Pulled back, look for an order block on the lower time frame, pushed up, made new highs, pulled all the way down, candle closed, and then pushed up even higher off the breaker block, right? So that was what this shit was about. So I'm gonna get rid of this, get rid of all this old news. We'll get rid of all this old news shit. Look for our 4-hour highs and lows real quick. So these are all OBs, all old OBs. As soon as the live turns on, Rico. Alright, what was I doing? Alright, so 4-hour highs and lows real quick. Right, so we go 4-hour highs and lows because that's what price is, you know what I'm saying, gravitating towards. We got highs and lows, nothing really above. We got some shit right here. We got like the low of the day right here. Hey, that's all the money we need right there. Alright, so we'll just keep those lows for today. So boom. 1 hour. Alright, so 4 hour. Let's start on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we got this big ass order block candle right here. So we're just gonna put current interval only because I only want to see it on that chart. Alright, current interval only. Why is this a valid order block? Because this is the last opposite direction candle, the lowest opposite direction candle before price pushed up and made a breaker structure, aka a new high or a new low, right? So at this point right here, bink, this is now a valid order block. So price pushed up, red candle came down, grazed the tip of this order block and came out. Why? Because it's a fucking order block, right? So that makes me think we're gonna continue up, right? And make new highs in trend direction, cross this purple line. So we need to go down to the lower time frame and start looking for very sharp sniper entry order block trades on the lower time frame in that desired direction. Capiche? So this is the 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? We got this guy down here. So it barely grazed it. There's also this little high right here. So price technically broke this order block and then came back to it. So that's the same setup, a breaker block. An order block that people trying to sell it into get to come out, and then it violated them, got enough liquidity to push it up, then they pulled back down to the order block, and then they pushed up. But it's, in simple terms, for price action back in the day, what is it still to this day? A break and retest. Break and retest a previous high. Like, it's nothing, it's just a lot of ways to look at shit, but it's the same shit. You get what I'm saying? So boom, that's that. So I'm pretty much it's looking clean for a nice buy, right? So boom, that's the 1 hour. And then you start going down to the 30. Now we lock in on the 30. So I'm down on the 30. Then we can start seeing this 30-minute order block. 30-minute order block. Why? Because this is the lowest opposite direction candle before damn the fuck. The lowest opposite direction candle before price pushed up and made that breaker structure, aka a new high or a new low. Then price came down into it barely once, pushed up, and then came all the way down into the order block and now pushing out, right? So then it made a new high. So on the lower time frame, this came down to probably a 1 minute. I'm finna show you when I go down there. So now we're running the 30 minutes, pushing up. Everything's looking clean as fuck. So 30-minute, boom, current interval only. All right, so boom, then we come down here to the 15. So this is the same candle area, right, but tighter. So then you have this candle, right? So that's the 15 minutes. So this was the breaker structure. 15-minute pullback for price to continue up, right? So we do this one, current interval only. So you see how we start high and work our way down, and then we start scalping because we know we just going long today all day. We don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck, bro. Trust me, we don't care. Look at this 5 minute, beautiful. So now after all this shit, we toned it down to the 5 minute is the most cleanest. Breakout, pull back close to it, breakout, finally into it. In your buy, breaker structure, it came back down to it, and then pushed out, right? So then we start coming down here to the 1 minute and start looking for like entries or slash the 5 minute entries. Right? So if this is a 5 minute order block right here, how is that setup gonna happen if it's just gonna continue, right? It's just gonna, so then we do the 1 minute right here too, right? So we keep the 1 minute. We gotta be aware about the 1 minute because look at it rejecting, right? So if this wants to go long, I'm willing to take a long at this moving average right here, or it might come all the way down to this order block on the 1 minute. So I could be going long here in a second. The long way. Right? So I do have to notice that this pushed up, this pulled back, this made a new high. So this came into the order block and pushed up. This push up did not make a new high yet. Then it pulled back again. So we really need this to make a new high and this to make a new high because it can possibly reverse off of this 1 minute. Right? This could be the highest point. A lot of wick area right here, wick area right here. But I've seen this before where they reject off the order block, you know, tap the bullish confirmation, and then continue up. And then violate this order block, fully violate this, and continue up, pushing the trend direction for the 4 hour and fucking up. 4 hour and down. So actually, I'm gonna do a create new order. We're gonna go buy. We're gonna go limit. So I'm gonna do tight stop loss. What the fuck? This is M and Q. NQ. God damn it, Bruce. Wake up, bro. Wake the fuck up, dude. My bad, bro. All right, so we got the OB right there. So we gotta be quick, real quick, because it's either gonna reject right here, and I'm gonna have to enter manually, or it's gonna come all the way down to this limit pretty quickly. So if I just do one Connie, I'm risking 110, some shit like that. They ain't got my golden zones on, so I can't really see. Okay, yeah, come on down to Pawpaw, and then we're gonna try to go up here for real. The long way. All right, so I'm finna enter this guy. So even if I enter a little early, I'm only risking what, 300 on this trade, shit like that. So I'm finna enter that buy limit. That's sitting there waiting on that 1 minute order block. And then I could be aggressive and enter manually when it touches this MA right here. Got it? So if you don't have these buttons on your chart, bro, right click, settings, and go to trading, and then buy sell buttons. Turn on the buy sell buttons. Alright, I'm going long, bro. I'm going long, but I think I'm going to keep my limit here. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. If I'm going to go long there, I'm not going to go long again because I don't want to double my risk for no reason. We're just going to, you know what I'm saying, micro Monday, keep it conservative, right? So, damn, where did my... Okay, so remember I got to put this order block back up here. Because y'all remember this order block right here? Because I was on MNQ. So order block right here. Okay, everything else was NQ. This is MNQ. Okay, we're good. That would have sucked if everything was on MNQ. Because I would have had to draw everything again. Alright. Fuck. We are in a trade. Let's see if we can get this shit to push the fuck up. It honestly can easily come down here, wick off this order block, and then push up. But if it starts to like go deeper than that, then I'll have to get out. I'll have to get out. Like, they could come down to this one. And let me see. If I go current interval only. So, alright. So, if I'm in a buy, my take profit has to be a sell limit. Right? Because you got to sell to buy. You got to sell to get out of a buy. You have to buy to get out of a sell. So, if I'm in a buy, you have to do a sell limit. Because when price goes up to here, it'll get you out. Got it? And then my stop is going to be like in here, but I got a mental stop. Got it? Alright, so let's go current interval only. Current interval only. Okay, we're going to go current interval only. Okay, we got this right here. We're riding this right here. We could come down and touch the 5-minute MA, which is the order block. So y'all definitely got to give this trade a little space. The long way. All right, there's the little grays of the order block. Still could come down a little lower to this 5-minute MA. 30-second new candle. And that's why you always wait for the order block. Right there. That's why, guys. You can almost wait for the order block. But sometimes it's going to push up without you at the MA sometimes. Yo, we are in a trade. Oh my God. I'm not liking these rejections, bruh. This shit gotta give me a boner candle. We still got 20 minutes in this 30-minute candle, though. Give me a boner! Oh, shit! Rico gonna say he missed the trade. Rico on the way to Chick-fil-A trying to get a biscuit.
to All-Tech Lansing.
I caught me a cardiac-skeleton, yeah. Scoliosis. Back-to-back lemma with charges. We're gonna put a little ding-ding up here, man, at these highs. A little ding-ding. If you don't know what ding-ding is, man. Ding-ding is an alert, brother. Because it goes ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. So we call it ding-ding, you know what I'm saying? I call it that. People like, I don't call it that shit. He call it that shit. I don't call it that shit. He call it that shit. I gotta create some hotkeys for entries. Or just fucking enter. Sorry. See, y'all, if you just wait on that order block, bro, you can't do yourself no wrong. Because if it goes without you, that's fine. It's going to come back. It's going to come back. It's going to come back. Hey, peanut butter jelly the long way. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? We live right now, yeah. Monday morning, man. We got 32 people on that guy, man. Live, you heard? 32 people in profit, you know what I'm saying? Trading these order blocks. Hey, everybody in the chat, put a 1 in the chat real quick. Hey, put a 1 in the chat real quick. Hey, put a 1 in the, hey, put a 1 in the chat real quick if you hear me. Put a 1 in the chat real quick if you in profit. Put a 1 in the chat. Hey, hey, put a 1 in the hey, put a 1 in the chat right now if you're in profit, boy. Hey, put hey, man, every single morning, Monday through Friday, we trade live, man. Join up at tradewithbruce.com, or you can message me personally for the discounted link, you heard. Let's go! Damn it, Bruce, how do you keep doing this shit, dude? Dude, how do you keep doing it? Dude, how do you keep doing it? Back-to-back Lambo with horses. Alright, y'all, let's play it safe, right? So if we're going to get a stop loss, if we're buying it, we're going to put in a sell stop, right? So let's go break even, guys. Let's go break even, right? If this shit comes back down, that's fine. Then it's not a strong buy, right? Right? We're back into this order block. So the next candle should be a boner candle. And maybe it can come down to the MA. And it honestly could come down to this 1 minute. Oh my God. Oh my God. How much we up? I can't even see. Oh, there. Wait, I can't see, bro. I gotta click it. All right, so we up 300. All right, we just broke the highs. Yes, sir. We straight. Hey, we straight up. So now, guess what? Hey, we gonna lock this shit in right here. We gonna lock that shit in right there. We gonna trail this guy. And we just chill. I'm saying, we just trail this guy. We can't lose. So everybody put W in the chat, you know?
You know we don't miss.
Hey! You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Why y'all cashed out again?
You know we don't miss.
Hey!
You know we don't miss.
Hey!
You know we don't miss.
Hey, stop loss in profit, boy! We not playing! Stop loss in profit. Drag it up a little bit more. Hey, come on, man. We can't lose. Come on, man. Hey, come on, man. Stop playing, man. If you trying to trade live with us, go to tradewithbruce.com or message me directly for the discounted link. Why? Because
you know we don't miss.
Hey.
You know we don't miss.
Hey.
You know we don't miss.
Hey.
You know we don't miss.
Hey, walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. We out in profit. We out in profit. Come on, man. It's probably about to hit. So now that we done broke this order block, right, y'all? We still alive, right? Everybody W in the chat, PNL on the chat. Now that we done broke this order block and then pull back to it, this is a breaker block. So now I expect price to push up to our target, right? We got out early. We stopped out in profit, but I'm not mad because we just hit these highs, right? So at these highs, price can do whatever the fuck it wants. So guess what, y'all? That was a safe entry. W trade, first scalp of the day, man. Come on, let's go. Bruce Webb in the flesh.
You know we don't miss.
Hey, you know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't. What it is? Walk over the trench. Walk over the trench. Waukesha over the trench. Waukesha over. On God. Come on, man. Come on, man. I know some of y'all still holding. I'm gonna put some ding ding right here for you. I'm gonna put some ding ding right there for you. Come on, man. I know Kyle's still holding, bro. Kyle don't ever get out. Hey, come on, man. Let me see. We are live right now. 32 people. Oh my God. I told everybody to put a 1 in the chat. Then we just cashed out this beautiful trade off the order block. Are you kidding me? Are y'all kidding me, bro? Bruce Webb, order block. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. How much did the chat make? 300, 105, 219, 380, 195, 385, 255, 452, 600, 366. Gonna run up this 50K, man. Held and made a 1.3K. Watt over Trish. He made 348. Stop playing. You know why? That's 15 days in a row. You know why? Because Bruce Webb is the greatest. And what else?
You know we don't miss.
What?
You know we don't miss.
What?
You know we don't miss.
What?
You know we don't miss.
What? Watt over Trish. Watt over Trish. Waukesha over Trish.
Waukesha over
That boy said he up a rack. That boy said he up 500. You heard? Hey, if you want to trade live with us, baby, go to tradewithbruce.com or message me personally for the discounted link. You heard?
You know we don't miss.
Uh.
You know we don't miss.
Uh.
You know we don't miss.
Uh.
You know we don't
What we
miss.
got? Walk over Trish. Oh, walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over. Hey, on God. Come on, man. You heard? Hey, man, it's me, man. You heard? We get on here. Hey, don't ask me where the fuck I'm at. It don't matter where I'm at. Cause when I get on this bitch, we gon' cash out. Huh? Don't fucking ask me where I'm at. When does trading start? You must be new around here, Ray. Oh my God.
We don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish.
Waukesha over Trish.
Damn, I'm good. Hey, that was lit, right? That was lit. Everybody put lit in the chat. L-I-T. Lit. Put L-I-T in the chat if that was lit. Put L-I-T in the chat if that was lit. Hold on. We might as well get it too. Hey, put lit in the chat if that was lit. Hold on. My video took it. Oh, shit. Oh, here we go. Hey, put lit in the chat if it was lit. It was lit. It was lit. Hey, put lit in the chat if that trade was lit. You heard? Oh my God, lit. Bruh, my trades wouldn't close on Apex. I was trying to close for like 5 minutes, but I'm up 4K. God damn, boy, you better close them shits, boy. Hey man, stop playing. W475 Kenji the Barber. Kenji about to do some mean fades today. Fuck you talking about. Kenji, how many got on the books today? Or you just in the shop and then they just pull up, like walk in? Or you do private bookings and shit? Apex gonna cook your ass. Hey, yo.
I gotta see. Just say no. Just say no. No, I gotta see. No, just say no. I gotta see.
Not working today. Okay. Shit. Benji, not Benji. Kenji said, boy, you 15 days in a row. I'm not working today. Hey!
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
Yeah, you definitely would have been cooked. You gotta figure out what happened. On God. Right? So remember, I was like, it's gonna come down to this order block, and I put my stop loss there. Right? So it's either the tight stop, you're good, or looser stop, you make less, but you're more good because you got space. But right, so I don't know. I don't regret anything, right? Never regret anything you planned on doing. Just get better from the actions you chose, right? So maybe next time I wouldn't even trail it. I'll just let it run. You know what I'm saying? Just chill. But hey, guess what? Micro Monday. Micro Monday mean we go, we chill. We come in, get some profits, start the week 1-0. You know what I'm saying? Come in, nice setups, not risking too much. Like I could have did 5 Connies and only risked 500, right? Because it was only 100 for 1 Connie. So if I did 5, I could have risked 500 and made 5 times as much as I did just then, right? So if I only made like let's say 380. If I only made 380, 3 times 5, what's that? 1,500 plus another 8 times 4. 8 times 4, what's that? 32, 36, 32, 32. Because 9 times 4 is 36, right? Boy, what's 9 times 4? 9 times 2 is 18. So yeah, 20 and 30, 38, yeah. 38. So you know what I'm saying? It'll be, you get what I'm saying? So 80 times 4 is 380. 380. So 380 plus 15, yeah. So that was 18 something I could have made just by risking more, This is we're not trying to catch every tick in the book. We just want to be accurate. See, what did I tell y'all was gonna happen, right? I said this is the order block, right? So what happens in this case? They come to these order blocks and then they reject. Long as they hold that bullish confirmation, aka a order block or a moving average. I've shown everybody who's been here last week, I've shown you this probably 3 days in a row, multiple times, and we all cashed out on them, right? By doing what? We were fading the non-strong order block. This ain't strong because you ain't break no structure to get here. You ain't break no this 1 minute chart, this 1 minute this 1 minute order block did not break major structure down here. It did not make a new low. So that's why we threw it away. And it's counter trend. The trend is up. We have every reason to look for a long versus a short. Right? We got the break and retest, right? So this is so sexy right here. This whole candle across, right? So if you get rid of this trend line shit, get rid of this shit, look at that. That's all that shit is. This is the order block that was a sell. So let me pull it up. An order block that was valid for a sell, reject, valid for a sell, reject, valid for a sell, reject, but it was no sellers. So what happened? The buyers stepped in right here. They pushed straight through. So that's why we're on the lower time frame looking for buys to violate this shit. That's exactly what we just did. We was rejecting this order block, boom, and then we took our bullish order block and then pushed up. Well, we took the moving average, but the plan was to take the order block, right? And then boom, to get back to the order block, and then you violate it immediately. Happens fast because everybody's stop loss is there. Everybody's who's selling it in profit, stop loss at break even or stop loss at real tight above the shit. That's why this shit moves with speed. Got it? That's why these pushes through these order blocks move with speed. So if you come on now, hey, listen to me now. Come on, hey, listen to me now. Okay, hey, listen to me. That's why this shit pushes with speed. And then what did I say right when we got out? Bink, it hit us right here. And then I said, all right, this shit is the order breaker block. Now that it done broke past it, it's going to come back to it, and they're going to extend up. We just don't know how far it's going to extend. Why? Because I told y'all earlier, right when we took profit, this is the liquidity zone area. A lot of stop losses up here. So it can keep blowing through, but they're going to play around here. Either to get more sellers to now go hit their stops, pushing them up, or to get buyers and go the fucking opposite way. So this isn't really a zone that I like to take trades at a fucking high. Let alone be a high of the day. Let alone be a fucking order block kind of area from yesterday. Right? So if we move this whole candle all the way across on the 15-minute chart, you can see that's what we're tweening off of, right? This is the 15-minute order block, tweening off of it. How is it tweening? Because it came up here, tween, came all the way down, and then did what? Remember this, y'all. If you have an order block that rejects, that does not make a low, and stops at an opposite direction, trend current direction, sentiment, I don't know if that's right or whatever, but a reason, confirmation, aka a order block or a moving average, and it comes back up to that order block, we are about to blow through it with speed. Got it? So it happens all day, every day, different times, different sizes. So there's like the hours doing it, the 30-minute doing it, the 15-minute doing it, different setups, the 1 minute is doing it, right? It's the same shit. So right here is doing it too, shit. So if we have this guy right here, this is the order block. Why? Because they've made a breaker structure here. So it can come into this order block and then push down. If that doesn't happen, we're breaking through it, and then we'll use that high to continue up. That's plain and simple. Where will we target? The 4-hour highs, right? But that's far. So I'm probably only going to target the golden zone right here at 574s. So you could try to be premature and enter early right here, but I just wouldn't recommend that, right? So if we have a 1 minute order block down here, I'll be willing to take a long there. So if we create new order, buy, limit, stop loss right under, only risking another $1.30. We want to go all the way up to TP, right? And that's how we roll it. So I'm about to enter this buy limit. Bink. On the website. You don't trade over it, right? Bro, get the fuck off the app. Why are you trading on the app? The long way. Alright, let's see. So we done violated this guy. Let's see if we can get a pullback all the way down to our buy limit and another push up. Or we're risking like around a little less than half of our last win, depending on where you exited at. So even if we lose, there'll still be a W day currently, you know? That's called risk management, y'all. Don't risk too much trying to be stupid or thinking you're cocky and all this other shit. Picture a trade fucking losing. Right? Picture a trade fucking losing every time you get in. Like, just visualize it. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, be, you know, confident and optimistic on the strategy, but you can't be risking 17,000 right here trying to make $1 million on the push up, right? Because you're going to blow your account halfway there. That just doesn't make sense. You get what I'm saying? All right, here we go. We might get activated. All right, we're activated. Let's see if this is it. We got some ding ding up here that we never hit. Let's see if we get a push up, or is this going to be a nice liquidity grab and they maybe come down deeper to the 5 minute? They could come down deeper to the 5 minute chart order block down here. Let me start getting rid of these boxes. So I'm going to get rid of this 1 minute from earlier. I'm going to get rid of this ugly shit from earlier. And I got to kind of keep it there because that can turn into a breaker block. Yeah, I'm going to keep it there. Yeah, so that'll be a breaker block with the 5 minute order block. So yeah, if we hit our stop, and then there's a 15 minute down here. So let's get rid of this guy. We go current interval only. It looks like it's gonna keep pushing up. I mean, blow through and probably hit stop. But this at the 50. All right, damn bitch, it didn't even show it before it hit. All right, so that hit stop. So down here to the 5 minute, bro. So let's go. Damn, they bottom wick me like that. Let's go create a new order. We go buy limit. Let's see what this looks like. Risking about 300. We're trying to take it all the way back up to this high. And that's only halfway to the order block. Man, bitch. Alright, I gotta manually enter. Get me in, bro. Alright, I'm manually entered in this bitch, bro. That's crazy, that stop loss. Fuck! Now I'm in the long, bro. Right, so now I'm in the long. I don't like the fucking entry. So if I'm buying it, sell limit is up here. and 574s. There is a 1 minute order block down here. Right? Walk over Trish. Y'all, we are in a... That was my golden zone. Alright, so we done tapped the golden zones. So this could be the breaker block right here. Clean break, clean pullback, continuation, or it's just gonna bleed straight up. Order block down here on the 1 minute. So I'm gonna just get rid of this one. It's too much shit to look at. Get rid of this. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's the highs. This is the high, so I'm gonna change the color. Let's go green, I guess. Yeah. We are officially in a Trados. Hey, good job, Christian. That's it. Hit your target and be done, bro. Great job. That's it, y'all. Good job. We just gotta be consistent every day. Consistent every day. That is it. That's a secret to being a profitable trader. Being a profitable trader. Taking profits every day. And then leaving that day with the same profits. Not continue trading. Facts. If it comes down to this order block, I'm gonna get in again. Dashimoto's logged out, man. Good discipline, brother. Yeah, after Apex scared me, I'm out for the day. 4K is not bad for sure. Is that 4K each or 4K total, Vermar? 4K each or 4K total? Good shit, bro. How many accounts, brother? Good work, bro. Good work, bro. Good work, bro. Great work, bro. He said, bro, I was screaming at the screen to close. Hell yeah. No, you're eating, Vermar. Good shit. Come on, man. Welcome to the 15-minute Mafia, baby, where everybody support everybody on God. Everybody supporting everybody, man. Everybody cashing out. That boy said he gonna pay the $600 for the lifetime at the end of the week. Okay. Okay. And guess what, Vermar? You're gonna be locked in forever. Cancel your monthly subscription. You're in the Discord forever. You'll never be removed. So yeah, y'all probably got about, hey, I said some days to get the lifetime deal in at $600, because sometimes it can be $700, sometimes it can be $750, sometimes I want $1,000, sometimes I might drop it to $5. I might bless you with a $400, but it got to be like at least 5 people do it or something. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Walk over Trish. Teach them how to fish. They eat for life. You would. We going fishing. You would. I think price. I don't want to speak it, but price could come down to my limit for real. That's where if it does, that's where the big move is gonna come. It could stop right here. Like this could be enough to pull back and then just go from here. You know what I'm saying? Right off this high, right off the moving average, all that shit. Right, that could be the reason right there. Order breaker block, so a breaker block right here, tip of this, and then the tip of this. You get a full break, a full pullback, boom, clean push up. Or it's gonna do a clean down, grab the bullish confirmation, and then push up. Or it's gonna push down, hit my stop, and we're cooked. Then we put on a ski mask. But if it pushes up like it's supposed to, then we eat. We are officially in a fucking trade. With the 11th pick out of the 1999 draft, Bruce Theodore Roosevelt III's Webb. They're like, what the fuck is he doing? You know what I'm doing, girl! Regions Bank, did you make this purchase of $2,700 at Louis Vuitton? No, sir, I did not. You get some nice. No, sir, I did not. Please dispute that. Hey, Why you wearing the shit? No, sir, I did not. Kind of want to get in again. Gotta walk away. Yeah, be done, bro. Be done, bro. Who? Bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, what's happening, man? This a little old ply, dog. Shorty. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Snap your fingers. Do your step. Yeah, just walk away, bro. Yeah, boss lady. Yeah, man. Fuck it, I'm full port. Y'all, disclaimer. Rico is psycho. Rico different. So whenever Rico say some shit, y'all. 422 just got funded, first time ever. Thanks, Bruce, for real. I'm riding with you. Oh my God! You know why you got funded, Eric?
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Hey, tell me the company you're funded with, and tell me how much your account. So Top Step 50K, Apex 100K, what? Oh my God! Big announcement from my boy Eric. He just cashed out. We floating profits right now, but he just cashed out $422. He just got funded for the first time ever. He says, "Thanks, Bruce, for real. I'm riding with you." Oh my God, boys! 50K take profit trader, 50K take profit funded. Oh my God, boys! You know why Eric cashed the fuck out and got funded?
You know we don't miss.
Hey, you know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over. On God. Hey, listen. We're on a 15-day winning streak, bro. That's 3 full trading weeks without taking a losing day, bro. Are you kidding me, bro? If you want to live trade with me, bro, go to tradewithbruce.com, bro. Or you can message me, bro, for the direct link, and it's a discounted link, bro. Hit me up, bro. All right, let's get it, man.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over. Waukesha over. On God. Let's go, man. I'm so proud of y'all, bro. This trade is making me be patient. I really want to get out. What time is it? 9:15? I might get out here in a second. Let's see. If we push back up to these highs. Let me see. 50% level of this order block wouldn't be bad. I'm going to put my sell limit right here. So I'm moving my sell limit down to 565. 565 I'm getting out. I just want to be out well before the 9:30 open. Yeah, I'm not going to be floating at 9:30 ever again. I promise you. Facts. Oh, God. You can just do whatever, bro. Oh, let's go! Put me out! Hey, but do you know? Hold on. Hey, shut the fuck up. Hey, shut the fuck up. Gassing, no FOMO. No FOMO, bro. No FOMO ever. No FOMO, bro. You did great. Whether you got in or not, you did great, bro. You're good. You're beyond locked in, bro. Congratulations. Hey, listen, y'all. That's 2-1 because we took that. Honestly, bro, do y'all know I'm not even supposed to be taking an L today. We're still profitable, right? We're still profitable out of 2-1 because the little loss was nothing. But everybody put W in the chat right now and your P&L. W in the chat, P&L. Look how this is perfectly riding the order block. I mean the moving average, right? Whenever it's going to do that, y'all, that's where it finds these highs to break, pull back to it, and then continue, bro. And if it wanted to, it could have came to the limit and then did the same move, y'all. Bro, this is Bruce Webb. I literally do this shit every fucking day. I've been profitable for fucking 9+ years. Successful, bro. Not just trading. I've been trading for 10 years, 10 and a half. But I've been successful the last 9 straight. And I keep telling people back on Facebook the last couple of years, I'm only going to get fucking better. Right now, I'm so fucking locked in on the charts, bro. This shit is disgusting. I'm doing this shit live in front of people, giving the explanation hours before the shit happens. The shit happens, we risk our money, and we make our money based on what, you know what I'm saying? Bro, that's 15 days in a fucking row. My record is 29 days in a row, and I lost that record, that streak, because of a dumbass losing day because I went to break even. Then I start doing a bunch of emotional shit because I was already 2-0, but I let it go to break even and it ran up without me. So then I start doing dumb shit and losing. That broke my streak. I'm the only person. You are the only thing that can fuck you up, bro. The markets are here. It don't do nothing secretive. It ain't no fucking secret what this shit does, bro. The information's all over the fucking internet, but fuck that. Look at the fucking price and see what this shit does. Every single fucking day, I've mastered that shit just by opening up all the fucking time frames to see the bigger picture. People get fucked up because they get stuck on one time frame. Oh shit, that's a pullback down to the 5. Oh fuck, that's a pullback. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Shit. Everybody, right the fuck now, if you did not, put W's in the chat and put your P&L for the day or for that trade. Whatever you want to do. Oh my God, bro. And I added another channel on Discord. Right? I'm sure y'all can see it, right? Y'all can see it. It's another channel on Discord. It's called Live Trading Profits. So you get in there and you can post a picture of your profits. Can you? Let me know. All right, somebody help me out right now. I don't really know how Discord works. Let me know if you can post a picture in there, because I might not have it where you can post pictures. I might got it where you can only send messages. So let me know. Do you have an option to send a picture in the live? It's called Live Trading Profits under the VIP chat. Can somebody give me feedback, please? Can somebody give me feedback? Go to the Discord and go to the Live Trading Profits under the the VIP Live Trading chat, and see if you can send it. You can't post. You can't? Okay, hold on. Maybe that's why y'all didn't post nothing. It's locked for me. Why didn't y'all tell me that? All right, so go to settings. But I added y'all to it. Who can access it? Everybody can access it. You just can't post, right? So I gotta let y'all be able to post. Okay, give me 1 second, because I want y'all to start, if you want, post your profits in there. God dang it. Kyle, where the fuck you going? Nobody told you to leave yet. No, I'm just kidding. But bro, why the fuck doesn't it work? Edit channel. Channel permissions. Live trading member. Alright, so add a role. Live trading members. I added you. Yo, what the fuck, bro? Okay, here we go. So view channel, manage channel. Okay, hold on, I got it. Send messages. Okay. What else? Check now, hold on. Check now, y'all. Check now. See what y'all can do now. I done saved it. See if y'all can send a picture in there now. Let me know. Channel permissions, live trading. Yeah. So y'all can view the channel. You can send messages. Y'all, but you should be able to say something in there. Send messages in threads. Attach files. Yeah, okay, there you go. Now you can attach files and upload files or media. Yep, okay. Try that. Okay. Okay. Try that, y'all. Try that. It's working. Alright, bet. So if y'all want, y'all can send y'all picture in there. Or y'all profits, your entry, whatever the fuck. That'll be cool as fuck. I can screenshot that too and, you know, show people. That would be cool too. But there you go, y'all, man. It's a W day, bro. We are done. We are done. W's in the fucking chat. P&L in the chat. Whoever left, your mom's a hoe. No, I'm just playing. But a good thing they can't hear me, right? Because they left. So their mom is a fucking hoe. Hey, they come back in. Damn. Boner candle. Oh, here we go, man. Let me take pictures of this shit. Boner. Don't get a market back any money yet. For sure, we're done. 1328, baby. That boy said 3K ski. Oh my god. What was the last picture? So 520 at the bottom. Shit still pushing up, y'all. Been following you the whole time, she said. She really has, though. She really has. We probably got messages from 2017 in this bitch. Hold on, play the music one more time. I just need 30 to get funded today. Holy shit, this is where I lose it all. Lock in. Gaston, here's a tip. Go to MNQ. Here's a tip. Go to fucking MNQ, one contract. What if you lose 30? It's okay. You can make fucking 60 on MNQ, but it's easy to take one nice setup and make 30 bucks on MNQ without risking 600 on NQ, bro. Come on, bro. Be smart, bro. I just need 50 cents to make it to a 1K day. Let me not go back in. Y'all stop saying shit like that, please, for real. Y'all are promoting bad habits in here, and I don't like that shit. Please, dead ass for real. Alright, I'm kind of joking. But you get what I'm saying, like, that's not the mindset, Gasson. If, you know what I'm saying? Okay, you need 30. That's fine. Take a rest, bro. Celebrate. It's fucking 9:30. You're not going to miss shit. Come back 10:30, 11. Make a nice MNQ trade. One contract, maybe even two contracts if you have to scale in. But you shouldn't be having to scale in if your entry's perfect. Got it? So, boom, boom, boom. Play the music one more time. I got you, bro. What you want to hear, bro? What you want to hear, right?
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
All right, hold on.
You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
Order block right there. Let's see. Bitch. Order block right here. Let's see what happens, man. This is $1 million setup right here. Don't go big because I said that, but just I've seen this happen multiple times, right? If it wants to continue up, right? But we are in the area of fucking reversals because that's why I wanted to get out. Fuck, where did everything just go? That's why I got out. Y'all look at this exit. This is why I got out at the 50% mark of this order block because it can still come into the order block at 50% and still come down. Honestly, I've been cooked like that before, trying to push it through. It just, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it happens, sometimes it don't. But statistically, if you give a nice rejection off of it and it comes back towards it, we're blowing through it. It's just going to play around. It can come all the way down here. And it can come all the way down here to the 1 minute. I got a lot of boxes and shit, so it's starting to get confusing. But this is the most recent one if it's going to push up to this golden zone. Got it? And that's exactly what's going on. Come on, man. It's not hard, y'all. Gas, and that's the $30 trade right there. Literally, bro. $30 trade right there. Let me give you a real example. I'm not just the type that just say some shit. Oh, I could have made this. I could have made that. No, let's pull it the fuck up and let's look at the real fucking numbers. Holy shit. Y'all remember this order block right here on the 1 minute? Oh my God. All the way up. Oh. So picture if bro. Oh my God, bro. Hey, I'm having like at the end of the sessions, we always reflect, right? We're reflecting right now. So this is the reflecting segment. Got it? So boom, we're reflecting, right? Alright, so right here, let's go create new order, y'all. Oh, no, this. So I risked $100. We would have risked $100 at this order block, right? Because then it tweened off of it and went up. How many R to R is that, y'all? Oh, 1 to 8.9. Damn near 1 to 8, right? 1 to 8.5. 1 to 8.5 easily. What? That's risking 100 to make 8. And y'all can't make $200 a day on 5 accounts. It's not hard, bro. Even if you risk 50 to make 50 times 8, that's definitely possible. And guess what? You don't need that much. I'm getting the fuck out at 4, bitch. All I need is 200 to make 2,500. Listen, 5 accounts, $200 a day. You get paid out 500 per account after 5 trading days of that. 500 per account, that's 2,500 every fucking 5 trading days, bro. I'm 15 trading days in a row. I was 29 trading days in a row. Do y'all get the income potential if you're consistent as a consistent trader? It's not about making $1 million in a day. It's about being consistent. Then if I can consistently make 2,000 a day, do you know that's 25,000 a week? You can make 5,000 per account max. And you do that by making 2,000 a day max on MNQ. I mean, not MNQ, on NQ. Couple contracts on NQ, you can do that. Or one contract, nice banger, 500 trades 4 times, 200,000 trade 2 times. Or you catch one nice banger, risking 5 on a 1 to 4 to make fucking 2,000. It's possible. You just gotta wait for it, let it confirm, stop being a fucking pussy, and take the fucking trade. Excuse my French, ladies. You know what I'm saying? But listen, bro. You know what I'm saying? But fuck, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it. Multiple payouts from Top Step. Same account. Never blown. I've never blown my funded account. Ever. Ever. Does that fucking speak volumes? I get funded and I don't blow them because I'm a consistent trader. Plain and simple. I'm doing it. Shut up, bro. I'm doing it live in front of y'all, bro. South National. What the fuck is that? Doing this shit, bro. Doing this shit, bro. It's not fucking hard. Right? Oh, shit. Bro, you're yapping. Show us how much the trade would have made. Oh, my bad. Alright. Oh, look at that shit, bro. It went to these highs and then they reversed, bro. Sheesh. Right? But we're just in the air. Oh yeah, 50% mark. Right? Perfect exit, Bruce. Holy fuck. See that? If I would have just waited for that little golden zone, why? By feeling FOMO of letting this trade not run, then I would have lost money by doing that. Stick to your plan. I don't care what price is doing. If it's stalling or it's based on time, I'm getting out early in profit. There's nothing wrong with that. Take that shit to the next day. Guess what? Because we would have been fucking getting cooked right now. Wherever the entry was, I think we entered here. We entered here, and then it pushed up, and then we got the fuck out up here. Yeah, bro. Trying to hold it up here, you would have lost, bro. Plain and simple, bro. So gassing. MNQ. Right, so we're gonna go right here, create new order. We're gonna go buy limit. Alright, let's see how much this little bitty ass trade would have made. Stop loss right under this candle. Bruh, risking 12 bucks, bruh. To the exact high, you made 15, right? So if you seen that, you could have boom, pop 15, you only need 15 more, right? Then you just flip over, do it again, or honestly, you would have did 2 contracts. If you would have got in and saw 50 cent, $1, 50 cent, negative $1, 50, you would have entered another one because that's no risk, right? And then boom, you would have made 30, bam, bam, bam. All right, so let's see what this shit's doing. I'm about to go, we're done, but let's just see what 930 is doing. So here's the order block pushback right there, real quick, real fast, right there. That real quick. This next counter is probably gonna push and bleed and hit the golden zone. Watch this. I can't even put the fucking alert there that fast. That's how fast it happens, y'all. That's how fast this shit is. So if you trade 930, you either got to be fast, smart, on your shit, right? Look at this high earlier. It broke it. What did it just do? Come right back to it. That's a breaker block setup. That's it. When it's going to continue trends, it's going to break above the high. It's going to pull back to the high. It's going to continuate. If it's going to fucking liquidity grab, it was going to do it right here. Liquidity grab and then melt. Break all these order blocks. Break all this structure and just fucking melt. And then melt. Come into this order block. Reject. And then grab something to make it keep going down. Another sell order block. And then reject. Right? So bang, bang, bang. All right, so now this is why I always target the golden zones, y'all. Because guess what? It's the best fucking way to exit and enter. Even if I enter here blindly with the stop loss here, who would have cashed out? Take profit 1, take profit 2. You just had to wait on it. Like, this shit doesn't move fucking randomly, y'all. I promise you. This shit is not random, bro. Oh, what is NASDAQ doing? It's all over the place. I promise you. It's not random. I promise you, this spike down and spike up is not random, bro. There's probably billions of orders right here. Institutions, banks, firms, all that shit right here. Entering off the simple break and retest with the MA. With the fucking OB right here. Like this whole red candle right here, right? With all that. All this shit is the reason it pushed up, right? And then I guess the news volatility and maybe this 15-minute order block is the reason it's still coming down, right? But that don't mean shit if we come in here into this bullish confirmation, order block and moving average down here, moving average and a 30-minute order block, 15-minute order block, price could easily come into this and then reject all the way out, clear out these highs, take out the order block all in the same time, bro. And then where's the next target? That's where, if I don't have a 4-hour highs and we're just in la-la land, that's where my golden zones come in, y'all. Boom. My golden zones indicator is available for sale. $75 one time. Right? So if it pushes up above these highs, next target is the golden zone here or the golden zones here. Got it? That's plain and simple. Right? Plain and simple, bro. Listen, don't complicate it. Just sit here, talk to yourself when you're fucking trading. Act like you're teaching somebody, bro. That's it. Just act like you're teaching somebody. That's it. Funded. There we go, bro. There we go, bro. Oh shit, that's the wrong one. There we go, bro.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish.
Whoa.
Walk Keisha over Trish.
You need to lose 100, but yeah, so that means you're trading NQ, Gasson. G Money, did you trade NQ? Hurry up and answer the question, because I already know the answer. Did you trade NQ? No, I did MNQ, yes sir. I bet. You good, because I was about to give you hell, boy. It just took off, so it was a nice trade. Nice. Yes sir. So what, you took a sell? You took a sell. So after this push up and then close down, this wick up and then close down, yeah, wasn't nothing wrong with taking a sell here to go violate this order block. So if we're to sell here, oh yeah, sell here and then straight to the order block, take profit here. That would have been an easy scalp. And then to blow through it, nasty. Yeah, I sold that shit. Great work, bro. Great fucking work, bro. All right, so Gasson, put the company and how much you just got funded, bro. 2 people just got funded today. A lot of people made money on their real live account, and a lot of people got closer to getting funded today on their combine. So today is a what? A super massive W day, bro. So you trade before 9:30 because of the volatility? Yes. Yes. That's the 100% number one reason why I trade pre-market. It's called pre-market. Pre-market open. I trade pre-market. Got it? Live to trade another day, man. Let's go, bro. But listen, guys, and I said what company and how much are you funded? What's the account size? What a day, bro. What a fucking unit. We did it again, bro. We did it again, bro. If you're not still in here, bro, your mom's a hoe. No, I'm just kidding. Somebody like, hey, my friend just left, boy. You got me fucked up, and then my auntie. Oh my God! A huge announcement for my boy G Money, man. My boy just got, I got auto-tune. My boy just got funded, you heard? Well, technically he needs to lose 100, but yeah, because he cashed out so much on this sale, he's got to lose some because he made too much on this combine. That's what happens when you trade with the 15-minute mafia, boys. You know why though, right?
You know we don't miss.
Hey,
you know we don't miss.
Hey,
you know we don't miss.
Hey,
you know we
hey,
don't miss.
hey, walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over. Oh God. So shout out to that boy, man. He just got funded $50,000 with Top Step. He made $1,600 today, boy. Good work. All right, let's do another video for my boy. Boom! W day. That's 15 days in a row. Day one of trading his combine. $533 locked in for the day. Hey, it's sell. Is this your very first day trading live with me? If this your very first day trading live with me, Rodney made $400 on his first day funded on his 50K Take Profit Pro account. Oh my God. It's sell. It's sell. Is this your first day trading live with me, bro? You made $533. First day trading live with me. He cashed out 15 days in a row for the people that's been locked in with me. We're now, I think, like 87 out of 95 trading days now. That's 92%, boys. Why?
You know we don't miss.
Oh my God. Hey, listen. If you want to trade live with us every single morning, Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern, go to tradewithbruce.com and join up or message me directly for the discounted link. Oh my God, boys! FBI, open up! You know we don't miss. Alright, man, let's wrap this shit the fuck up. Guess what, y'all? W day. Let's write it down real quick. Shit. So 4, what it is? 28, 25. Green day. Oh my God, bro! If you leaving, your mom's a hoe. 87. Oh, out of 94. 10 accounts. $595 across them. Each or total? You gotta say each. $595 each. Or did you say it right? Yeah, so $590 each. So across them is you add up $595 times 10. So that's $595 across all my 10 accounts. Or you say $595 each 10 accounts. You know what I'm saying? I got you, bro. But no, shout out to you, goddamn. Shout out to you, David, goddamn. Excuse my French. 87 out of 94. Jiffy, you know it. I thought that was you. Hey, 92.55%, bro. Hey, y'all had fun today, bro? Today was a good day? Good fun day, man. Hey, man, I make this shit fun, bro. We make money every single day, bro. That shit crazy. Hey, bro, what? Hey, Key. Am I saying your name right? Key? Key? Boss lady? I'm going to just say boss lady. Is she even in here? Oh, there she go. Hey, I was about to say something. She like, what? What, boy? Say it, boy. I wish you would say that shit, boy. I wish you would. Is it pronounced key, though? Like just a key? Like a key? Key? I can just say boss lady. Because your name is boss lady on here. So boss lady. I'm going to say boss lady. When we all have an in-person group meeting on a yacht rental together. Hey, who said it was going to be a rental?
I'm trying to be cool.
Who said it's going to be a rental? Who said it was going to be a fucking rental? Huh? Rental where? But nah, facts though, Gaston. That would be crazy. We do a little in-person shit. That would be crazy. Definitely not gonna be free though. And it's only gonna be for the paid members, right? Only for y'all. Y'all get access to the tickets only, so that's a perk to join up. You know what I'm saying? Definitely not free. You can do it right here for $150 a month. And I ain't got on no pants. But yeah, nah, for real, that would be lit though. Appreciate it. Got in super late, but I used the concepts to take a trade. Hey, bro, we don't have concepts around here, bro. This ain't no ICT. This ain't none of that other bullshit. This ain't no YouTube. All we do is trade order blocks. Nah, I'm just fucking with you, David. I catch you. Gotta pay taxes. Oh, okay. Yes, you have to pay taxes, bro. What the fuck? If you withdraw money, yes. Listen, I can tell you haven't got a payout yet. Well, of course, you're new. But Willow, when you request a payout, yes, you have to give up all that information, bro. So the IRS does know how much you are withdrawing from this regulated, funded company. Yes, futures is funded. Yes, futures is centralized. Yes, futures is 100% regulated. Yes. And then a regulated personal broker for futures, top one is Tradeovate. Tradeovate.com. Again, you have to put all your fucking social, all that shit to make an account. And then when you deposit, you can do wire transfer, you can do debit card, all that shit. But it takes like 3 to 4 days for your shit to hit the account. Right? Everything is fucking real. This ain't no old school MT4 Trader's Way, crypto only withdrawals, crypto only deposits, and we can cancel whatever the fuck we want. We can charge, we can say whatever price we want. We can do commission, whatever the price we want. We can move the spread as much as we want. It's no spread, none of that shit. Futures is the number fucking one way to trade. Besides options. Options is regulated too. All that option shit, that's pretty cool and regulated too. Oh shit, what's going on? Oh, price made a new high. Damn. Let's look at it real quick. I just can't go, y'all. Did I share it? Yeah, I'm sharing the wrong screen. You ugly ass boy. Y'all like, why that shit look like that? Why your face so... Alright, so boom. Get an LLC. Now you can write stuff out. Right, do it real. Do the business shit for real, bro. Like, do this shit, bro. We talking 25K a week. 25,000 a fucking week. You better do it the right way. All your money going to Uncle Sam. And I'm not your advisor. Or you can pay me and we can talk about how I do it. But I'm charging you as high. So you might as well go straight to a CPA. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's wrap this bitch up. I dropped off a case of honey pack at the Apple store. Who the fuck is... I dropped off a case of honey pack at the Apple store. Bro, shut the fuck up. Holy shit, I just realized. Bro, this order block. This 30-minute order block. Remember, 15-minute order block. Came into it and came out. And what did I say? Make new highs? Then I said, come to this purple line, which is the 4-hour high, yesterday's high. And then the next target is what? The golden zones, y'all. Holy fuck. Golden zones right here. So I will put another line there. We're going to look at that later tomorrow. Of course, it's about to hit in the next fucking hour. Or it could tank from here. We don't know, right? So, yeah, bro. Fuck. This is what I do, bro. Bruce Webb. Oh, my God. 5 days in a row now. No, I'm sorry. 14 days in a row. We're working on 5-0 this week. That's 1-0. I need a honey pack strategy. A honey pack stat or a strategy? 15-day win streak. Right now I'm bricked up. All right, hey, hold on, bro. Hold on. Bro, listen, hold on, bro. Chill.